Yes, students, we are 5.6. This 5.6 will be discussed about in the through the video. So, finding the sides and angles you can represent here. You have like this. Okay, you have like this. This is the two angles are same. One as is acute. So, depending upon your sides and angles, will they classify the what what is the type of the angles, everything clear. Fine, students, I discussed about 5.6 in your previous video. See, yes, students, quadrilateral. Quarter means what? Four sides. Okay, quarter means four side. Quarter means four, lateral means sides. Will represent a four side. If you place a any figure on your this one, everything will be represented as a quadrilateral. Okay, fine. And here you have some little conditions. All four sides are acute. One of the angle is obtuse. If your four sticks are find it activity, if you see the quarter in such a way that all four sides are angle acute, one of the angle is obtuse, one of the angle is right angle, two of the angles are obtuse, two of the angles are right angle if the angle perpendicular to each other. So this and all, where and all will be categorized means by using your set square. You by using your set square, students. Wait, I'll be representing for here it is, students. Here by using your set square, we can use like this to find your. See here, this is what you represent here, right angle. This is a rectangle. This is what a square. This is a one of the type we represent as a parallelogram. This is a represent as a parallelogram. See, let we discuss about what is a, that is one more one more absolute property of the right angle. You can see in the opposite sides are equal length. So opposite sides are the equal length in the rectangles. Okay, fine. If you see the pair of 45 set square has an other in it is here all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal and angles also will be equal. The angles also will be equal. Next we'll see the this figure, student. This figure represent here parallelogram. Here 30 degree, here 60 degree, here 90 degree. This is 30 degree, 60 and 90 degree will be there. Clear? Here also, students, you will be having like this. And here you will be having a same 90, 30 and 60. So this totally will be representing as a parallelogram. Next we have a rhombus. Here rhombus is 30 and here you have use a four sides 30, 60, 90 the set square as a numbers. Here 90 degree will be there, here also 90 degree, here 90 degree. If you place your set square will be representing, and here 30 degree and here will be having a 60, here 60 and here will be 30 degrees. So this will be representing as a rhombus. Means observe, students, what we are telling means how many sides are there. Yeah, four sides, four angles are there. So this is represent as a quadrilaterals. And we'll be finding the angles also. What is our opposite sides also? Opposite sides are equal or adjacent angles are equal. That detailing we'll be studying in the next year. Next, angles are opposite angles are equals. You have to will be finding out. Okay, students. Here, this will be what you will telling. One more type of quadrilateral. This is represented as a trapezium. Observe it in your book. You will be represented as a trapezium. And 5.7 also I'll deeply discussed with you people that what is an each angle of a right angle is right angle, each angle of a rectangle is right angle, the opposite of the right angles are equal in length. So whenever you compare that, opposite angles will be equal in length. That is true. The diagonal of the square is perpendicular to each other false, so the diagonal will be different. This will be represented. See, students, I'll be drawing for you. This will be your diagonal. This is represented as a diagonal. Okay, student, this is diagonal. Okay, student, this is an discuss between 5.7 for detailing in your exercise in your previous video. Next, we'll be moving to the polygons. Polygons means what? See here, I'll be showing your figure. See a student, this is a given here. Number of the sides, name, number of the sides, name. See here, we represent number of sides, name, illustrations. Whatever you will be telling, you people see here number of sides, name, illustration. Here we'll be taking a triangle. Here 3 sides. Quadrilateral 4 sides. Pentagon 5 sides. Penta means 5. Okay. Hexagon 6. Octagon 8. So depending upon the number of sides will be representing as a polygon. Polygon means what? Where they are more than 3 sides will be 3, and the more than 3 side we represent as a polygon. Okay, student, where and all will be using these polygons in your day-to-day life? See here, here. Okay, fine, students. Here you find many shapes in your day-to-day life. Window, doors, your window, doors, and almari, cupboard, everything. You see more than 4 sides, 3 sides will be representing. Okay, this is important in your day-to-day life. Where are you using your polygons? Okay, student, see, these are the examples are given here. Maybe you think, what is this, ma'am? This is a polygon. Yes, it is also polygon. This is represent as a cuboid, right, student? So this is represent as a polygon.